Stampers. This is Dawn from DawnStampingThoughts.net, and today we're going to make my August thank you notes. You're going to notice it's a totally different size. This size is what Sarah Douglas at convention, she demonstrated a card that was this size, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So I thought it would be kind of fun to make this size for my August thank you notes. So this one uses the Melon Mambo, Bermuda Bay, this one's Pumpkin Pie, and then this one is Daffodil Delight. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to use these pieces here. This is the Whisper White. This is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Going to make your base card, and when it's done, it's going to be sized at 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. Then we're using the Bermuda Bay. This is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. And then another piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And I'm also going to make an envelope. Let me show you that. We'll make an envelope at the end of this video. Show you how I did that. All right. Okay, so we're going to stamp this little piece, the 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And let me show you the stamp sets we're going to use. Okay, so the stamp sets we're using is Boutique Borders. We're going to use this one right there. And then the Big News stamp set. We're going to use this little thank you here. Okay, so we're going to grab the stamp, and we're going to use the black Stays On. Okay, we're going to stamp first along the bottom edge. Okay, and then the second part is going to be on the top, over top of that, about there. Okay, then we're going to take the thank you. I'm just going to stamp this along the top edge right there. Cute. Okay, so I'm going to grab the Bermuda Bay Stampin' Right marker. Let me get this out of the way here. And I'm just going to color in these little scallops. Let me do that really quick. Okay, so now we're going to add some glitter. I'm going to grab the 2A glue pen, and I'm going to color these two scallops here with the 2A glue pen. Thought it was time for some glitter on some thank you notes. And I don't know where my jug is right now, so I'm just going to use my little jar of glitter here. Sprinkle that on there. My gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and attach this to the Bermuda Bay. Into the base. That. Okay, so let's go ahead and make an envelope. This is using the Confetti Celebrations designer paper, and the size, let me show you the envelope punch board here. I'm using the size 3 by 4 1/2. So the designer paper is cut at 6 1/2 by 6 1/2. And then you're just going to use your first score line, remember, at 2 3/4. So you're just going to line this up at 2 3/4. And then you're going to score it and punch. And then after that, you're going to use your score line number. You can't see it very good in here. Right there. Fold it a little bit. I can't see it with the light here. There we go. Okay. Hopefully that's good. We'll find out here in a jiff. Okay, so you're just going to fold in your score lines here. Let me get my bone folder. And then you're just going to put some adhesive along this edge here and this edge here. Just like that. And the card should fit in there, which it does. It's a little bit big, but I'd rather have it big than too small. So there you go. There's an envelope for that one. And then like I showed you the pumpkin pie one here. It's cute. So there's the Bermuda Bay, and then the Daffodil Delight and the Melon Mambo. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later.